Pokemon trainers! Welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you a fantastic Pokemon Go spoofer that is safe and workable on both iOS and Android. Many players complain that they experience account streak or banning after using a location spoofer, and hence search for more reliable alternatives. If you're bothered by that, too, congrats, your search ends here. LocaChange would be the best choice for you. Why did I say that? It's because of its safety, convenience, and compatibility. Then let me show you how to use LocaChange to safely spoof location in Pokemon Go. There are just 3 simple steps. Step 1: first, we need to download LocaChange app and install it on the PC. Step 2: start LocaChange app and connect your device. Click Get Started OK, then choose the game mode. Wait for a second, now it's successfully connected. Step 3: select the teleport mode and choose a location. Now, you can see there are 4 icons in the upper right corner. There are 4 different modes. Choose the first one, that is teleport mode. Input the places or coordinates you need to spoof. Click Move button and now the spoofing is started. Now let me explain the 2 features that make LocaChange safe and secure. The first is cooldown timer. It serves as a reminder to avoid frequent changes in location, which helps you escape from Pokemon Go detection effectively. The second, customized speed. You can adjust the different simulated speeds of GPS movement from 3.6 km per hour to 120 km per hour. Thus pretend that you're moving realistically. And say goodbye to account strike. Well, trainers, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you want more content, check out our other videos, and follow us on social media for updates.